We're going to practice a few different types of meditation. The first one I want to show you is going to be very intense. So you should be sitting down or lying down. We're going to do it very quickly and very intensely, and it's going to fill your whole body with tingles and energy. It's going to really wake up your whole nervous system. This is called breathwork. So this is not a concentrative style of meditation. This is just all about the breathing and charging yourself up with energy. This can help with a lot of things, from anxiety to depression to stress to overwhelm. But for ADHD, it will just help you get centered really quickly within the next few minutes. So what we're going to do is we're going to hyperventilate. Literally hyperventilate, like as if you were having a panic attack. So we can do it through the nose, through the mouth, however you like. If your nose is stuffy, do it through your mouth. You can try both ways, but we're going to just try to get as much oxygen into the bloodstream as possible in as fast a period as possible. What that means is we're pumping our blood with oxygen. That's going to feed our whole nervous system with tons of oxygen. It's going to give us lots of mental energy, and it's going to really wake us up for the next portions of the meditation course. So what we're going to do is we're going to hyperventilate 30 or 40 breaths. Then we're going to leave the breath out, leave the body empty of air. Then we're going to take a big deep inhale and hold that as long as we can, leaving the body full of air. And that is one cycle. Rapid breathing, long exhale, and then the long inhale. That's one round of this type of breathing. We're going to do 3 rounds. Now do this as intensely as you can and try to follow my rhythm of breathing. Try to do the same rhythm. Try to go along with the same pace. It's going to be fast. It's going to be intense. Take as deep breaths as you can. It's going to make you dizzy. You probably should lie down or sit down. Don't stand. Don't do this while you're driving. Don't do this in any dangerous situation. Always just do this while lying down or sitting down to start out. I'd recommend being in a cool place if you can. This can really heat up your body. And it's going to be very intense. You might even feel like you're going to faint. Keep going. Keep going. That's a good sign. Even if you faint, it's going to be okay. You'll wake up again very quickly. Go as intensely as you can. Now join me. You ready? 3, 2, 1, rapid breathing. Long exhale. Exhale for as long as you can, holding the exhale for as long as you can. Feel your entire body filled with energy, tingling. And now when you can't hold the exhale any longer, inhale as deeply as you can and hold that inhale as long as you can. Just sit and feel your body. Feel your body filled with air. Hold this inhale as long as you can, and when you can't hold it any longer, we're going to go back into the rapid breathing. Join me when you're ready. Hold the exhale as long as you can. Body empty of air. Feel the body tingling with energy. Don't worry about it, don't think about it, just feel it. Feel the body filled with energy. And now, huge in-breath. When you can't hold it any longer, take the huge in-breath, filling your body with air. And just sit and feel your body filled with air. And we're going to do one more quick round of the breathing. Join me when you're ready. Exhale for as long as you can, as deeply as you can. Feeling your body tingling with energy. And when you can't hold the out-breath any longer, take a deep inhale and hold it as for as long as you can. And hold the inhale for as long as you can. Even as I continue to speak, even as you continue to hear the sound of my voice rising from the silence and fading back into the silence. Just continue to hold that inhale as long as you can. And as you start coming out of this, as you have to go back and exhale and go back into your normal breathing, just watch your body as it sits here. Just observe the sensations in your body. Just feel your entire body. Sitting here now. Just observe the air flowing in and out of the body. And as you come back into this room, opening your eyes gently, just maintain the awareness of the whole body as it sits here or as it lies here. Congratulations on experiencing your first breathwork. This was a very intense one. It gets you really charged up really fast. Sometimes you feel tingling, sometimes you feel dizzy. Write a little bit about what you felt in that exercise. in the comments and discussion section of this video. And then I'll see you in the next one.